Welcome to Thrive After 40, where we empower you with knowledge for a healthier, more vibrant life. Today we delve into varicose veins. Many people struggle with varicose veins, often viewing them as merely a cosmetic concern, but their roots run much deeper. Beyond aesthetics, varicose veins can cause discomfort, heaviness, and even pain. Understanding their true nature is key. Today, we'll challenge common misconceptions and explore the real mechanical reasons behind varicose vein formation, offering effective solutions. Forget superficial fixes, it's time to understand the root cause. This knowledge will empower you to truly heal. Many believe varicose veins result solely from inherently weak vein walls. This common misconception often leads to cosmetic interventions. Procedures like sclerotherapy, laser treatment, or even surgical removal are frequently sought to address the visible symptoms. While these methods can temporarily improve appearance, they often overlook the fundamental mechanical issues driving the condition. Focusing solely on surface-level fixes can be a short-term solution, as the underlying problem remains unaddressed, potentially leading to recurrence. The common belief is that the vein wall itself becomes inherently weak and simply stretches out, causing the visible bulging. This leads many to seek remedies aimed at strengthening the vein walls, often with limited long-term success or understanding. While certain nutrients can support vascular health, relying solely on supplements without addressing mechanical issues is incomplete. Topical creams and superficial treatments offer temporary relief, but they fail to address the core problem within the vein itself. This weak wall theory, though pervasive, often distracts from the true underlying mechanical dysfunction that initiates the problem. While genetics and age play a role, they are not the sole determinants. Our lifestyle and understanding hold significant power. Many factors influence vein health, yet the primary mechanical cause often goes unnoticed, leading to ineffective long-term strategies. It's time to shift our focus from superficial symptoms to the core engineering of our venous system for lasting relief. The true mechanical truth behind varicose veins lies not in the vein wall's inherent weakness, but in its internal valves. Our veins contain tiny, delicate one-way valves, crucial for propelling blood against gravity back towards the heart. The root cause often begins when these intricate valves become weak or damaged, failing to close properly. When these valves don't seal completely, gravity takes over, causing blood to reflux and accumulate downwards in the vein. This constant pooling of blood creates immense pressure within the vein, pushing outwards against its walls. It's this sustained internal pressure, not inherent weakness, that eventually causes the vein walls to stretch and become visibly varicose. Gravity is a constant force we battle. Our venous system is expertly designed to counteract it, but valves are key. While aging naturally affects valve integrity, prolonged inactivity and certain lifestyle choices significantly accelerate this process. The visible bulging and tortuosity are direct manifestations of this sustained pressure, a testament to compromised valve function. This chronic pressure doesn't just affect the main vein, it impacts surrounding tissues, contributing to symptoms beyond visibility. Understanding this mechanical truth empowers us. It means we can intervene effectively, addressing the problem at its source. Recognizing valve dysfunction as the core issue shifts our entire approach from temporary fixes to sustainable, long-term solutions. Our goal is to support these vital valves, restoring their function and preventing the debilitating effects of venous insufficiency. Before diving into solutions, it's crucial to recognize warning signs that demand immediate professional medical attention. Self-treatment is not always advisable. Some symptoms indicate serious underlying conditions requiring urgent medical intervention. As a medical professional, I emphasize the importance of recognizing these red flags. Your health is paramount. Sudden, unexplained swelling in just one leg is a critical red flag. This could signal deep vein thrombosis, or DVT. DVT is a serious condition where a blood clot forms in a deep vein, potentially leading to life-threatening complications if untreated. If you experience sudden, unilateral leg swelling, seek emergency medical care immediately. Do not delay, it's crucial. Another warning sign is the presence of skin ulcers, especially those near the ankle that fail to heal over time. These ulcers can indicate severe venous insufficiency, where poor circulation prevents proper healing, requiring specialized care. If you notice a vein that feels hard, painful, and looks red along its course, this could be superficial thrombophlebitis. While less dangerous than DVT, it still warrants medical evaluation to rule out complications and ensure proper management. Now let's explore the three primary culprits behind the weakening of those crucial one-way venous valves in your legs. The first major factor is prolonged gravitational pressure, a constant challenge for our circulatory system throughout the day. Professions requiring long hours of standing or sitting, like teachers, nurses, or retail staff, significantly increase this gravitational load. When you stand or sit without movement, your calf muscles, our natural venous pumps, remain inactive, hindering blood return. This constant pooling of blood exerts persistent downward pressure, gradually weakening the delicate structure of the venous valves. Regular movement, even short breaks, can significantly mitigate this gravitational stress by reactivating your calf muscle pump. The second critical factor is the decline in collagen production, a natural process significantly affecting our structural integrity. After age 40, and especially beyond 60, our bodies naturally produce less collagen, the vital building block for tissues. Collagen is the primary protein that provides strength and elasticity to both the vein walls and the delicate valve leaflets. Without sufficient collagen, these valves lose their firmness, becoming floppy and unable to form a tight seal, leading to reflux. While age is inevitable, supporting collagen synthesis through diet and lifestyle can significantly mitigate its decline, protecting your veins. The third crucial cause is increased abdominal pressure, which can impede blood flow from your lower body back to the heart. Chronic constipation, persistent coughing, and even obesity all contribute to elevating intra-abdominal pressure, pushing blood downwards. This pressure on the abdominal veins, particularly the inferior vena cava, obstructs the upward flow of blood, creating back pressure. Excess weight, especially around the midsection, and activities that strain the core exacerbate this internal pressure, impacting venous health. Addressing chronic constipation through diet and hydration and managing weight are crucial steps in alleviating this pressure and protecting your valves. Understanding these three root causes is the first step. Now, let's explore practical, evidence-based solutions to support your veins. Nature offers incredible support for our bodies. We can harness its power to strengthen our veins from within. Our diet plays a pivotal role in maintaining the integrity of our vascular system, particularly the delicate collagen matrix. Certain plant compounds, especially flavonoids, are powerful allies in rebuilding and protecting the essential collagen matrix of our veins. Let's discover three incredible foods rich in these beneficial flavonoids, offering targeted support for your venous health. First on our list is buckwheat, a pseudo-cereal packed with powerful nutrients, often overlooked in modern diets. Buckwheat is exceptionally rich in rutin, a bioflavonoid renowned for its venotonic properties, directly impacting vein health. Incorporating buckwheat into your diet, whether as groats, flour, or tea, can provide significant benefits for your circulatory system. Rutin helps strengthen capillary walls, reducing their fragility and permeability, which in turn minimizes fluid leakage and swelling. Many individuals report a significant reduction in leg swelling and the feeling of heavy legs with consistent buckwheat consumption. Beyond its rutin content, buckwheat offers a complete nutritional profile, supporting overall cardiovascular health and well-being. Next, we turn to the often discarded white pith of citrus fruits, a treasure trove of potent vein-supporting compounds. This fibrous white layer is concentrated with diosmin and hesperidin, two powerful bioflavonoids extensively studied for venous health. These compounds are so effective, they are often the active ingredients in prescription venotonic medications widely used in Europe. They work by enhancing venous tone, reducing venous distensibility, and improving lymphatic drainage, all crucial for healthy circulation. Don't discard this valuable part of your citrus. Incorporate it into smoothies or simply eat it along with the fruit for maximum benefit. Finally, we have tart cherries, a small but mighty fruit bursting with anti-inflammatory and protective compounds. Tart cherries are rich in anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that combat inflammation and protect delicate vascular tissues from damage. Regular consumption of tart cherries, whether as juice or whole fruit, can significantly reduce inflammation and support overall vein integrity. These compounds actively protect the endothelial lining of your veins and help maintain the structural integrity of the valve tissues. By incorporating these 3 foods into your diet, you're providing comprehensive, natural support for your veins and overall vascular health. Beyond nutrition, establishing a consistent daily ritual is paramount. These simple habits can make a profound difference. Let's start with a powerful morning routine designed to kickstart your venous pumps and prepare your legs for the day. For 60 seconds each morning, perform 30 heel drops. Simply rise onto your toes, then let your heels drop back down. This simple exercise powerfully activates your soleus muscle, often called the second heart or strongest venous pump in your legs. Throughout the day, especially if you sit for extended periods, incorporate many movements every 30 minutes to maintain circulation. Simple ankle rotations and seated heel raises can prevent blood pooling, keeping your venous system gently active and supported. The most crucial part of your daily protocol is the evening ritual, elevating your legs to harness gravity for venous drainage. For 15 to 20 minutes each evening, lie on your back and elevate your legs above your heart, ideally at a 45-degree angle. This simple act allows gravity to assist in draining the accumulated blood from your legs, reversing the day's downward pull. Conclude your evening ritual by dousing your legs with cool water for 30 seconds from your feet upwards towards your knees. The cold temperature causes your veins to constrict, promoting healthy blood flow and strengthening the vascular walls through this mild thermal shock. By understanding the mechanical truths and consistently applying these simple, powerful strategies, you can significantly improve your vein health. Remember, proactive care and consistent daily habits are far more effective than reactive treatments for managing varicose veins. Empower yourself with this knowledge and these practices to restore your venous health and enjoy a life free from discomfort. Start your day with those 30 heel drops, activating your powerful soleus pump, setting a positive tone for your circulation. Remember to integrate those quick ankle rotations and seated heel raises every half hour, preventing blood stagnation during long periods. And most importantly, dedicate 15 to 20 minutes each evening to leg elevation, allowing gravity to gently drain accumulated blood. Finish with that invigorating cool water rinse, stimulating circulation and leaving your legs feeling refreshed and revitalized for tomorrow. The controlled upward and downward motion of heel drops effectively compresses the deep veins, propelling blood efficiently towards the heart. This consistent activation strengthens the soleus muscle, ensuring its optimal function as the strongest natural venous pump in your body. Breaking up prolonged sitting or standing periods is non-negotiable for venous health. Every small movement counts significantly. These subtle movements, performed consistently, prevent blood from pooling in the lower legs, maintaining active circulation throughout your day. The evening leg elevation is your ultimate defense against the day's gravitational pull, now actively reversing blood stagnation and pressure buildup. Allowing gravity to work for you, not against you, promotes natural drainage, reducing swelling and the feeling of heavy, tired legs. Consider adding a gentle massage to your elevated legs. This can further stimulate lymphatic drainage and enhance overall circulation. The cool water rinse is more than refreshing. It's a powerful vasoconstrictor, causing your veins to temporarily narrow and then expand. This vascular exercise improves venous tone and elasticity over time, acting like a natural workout for your blood vessels. By integrating these simple yet profound daily practices, you are actively participating in your long-term venous health journey. Embrace these habits, and you will not only alleviate symptoms, but also prevent future complications, living a more active life. From understanding the mechanical truth to adopting supportive nutrition and daily rituals, you now possess the tools for healthier veins. Thank you for joining us on Thrive After 40. Subscribe for more empowering health insights and share this knowledge with others. See you next time.